think around 11:10, the guy come in, walk to the door and stand on front of my cooler drink, and my niece just, I make a tuna and really sting on my crabs. My niece just say, okay, how are you doing today? He just say nothing, and he just stand on the cooler, and my niece just, he not say nothing, he not order nothing. Okay, we just say okay, he not order nothing, and walk back to washing the dishes. And he walk over there, he walk on the front of the counter, but we just thought he gonna go upstairs,
right,
on the bookmark. After that, just happened really fast. He just grab on her neck and just put like, I just say, what happened? I just say, what happened? Because I'm not far from her.
right.
That in my mind, I just think, oh, this is someone her know and just hold her, but she grabbed it. She just, I just say, what happened? And the guy walked back and to stand on on front of my counter again and show me knife. It showed me the knife, and it told me, are you okay? And she run back to the Java Joe on my refrigerator on the back, and they just say, and him run go over there on the back Java Joe again on people sit, what they call, with a knife on the back with a knife again and scare us. I say, how you do that? Please don't do that. How you do that? And then he just walk out to the door. He just say, I'm not do nothing. He told me him not do nothing, but him stand show me the knife like this, and I just say, okay. Because grab the phone and she just say, I'm gonna call the police. I say, okay, you call the police. I'm gonna go get him. And I walk off, open the door, and he just run onto the lever, and I stand over there. I not run yet. I just say, stop it! You're gonna stop right now. You're not gonna get out away from me. I just say that, and him throw a knife on the lever. I just say, piss off! I just run on him, and he just throw the knife on the lever, and him gloves fall down, and he
that
just
was in the park, right?
No, on this lever.
Oh, right, yeah, down by the canal, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And him grab fall down, and he just grab him down. He just say, I not do nothing again. And him turn right on the park. Him go on the right way, and I go the left way, because I know I gonna give him on the front. But him turn left and have one lady walk on the sidewalk. He just say, what you do to him? What you do to her? Him just stop again. He told that lady, I not do nothing. I say, stop him, please. He put a knife. Grab a knife on my knees. I just say that, and you show a knife on me. He say, I not do nothing. And I jump on him. And he just push me out like this, because him kind of very big. And I jump on him pretty hard, pretty fast. And he just push me off. And what the building over there, Steve?
NOE.
Yeah, and have one lady walk out the door, and she just say, come in, what happened? I don't know what's going on, and I just want to let you guys, I just want to ask you guys come inside.